Welcome back to Reviews Heaven, your ultimate destination for honest reviews and top product picks. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best hand mixers that will make your baking and cooking a breeze. Whether you're whipping up fluffy cream, kneading dough, or mixing batter, we've got the perfect mixer for every need. From compact and stylish designs to powerful motors and convenient storage options, we'll cover everything you need to know. And don't worry, we've made it super easy for you to shop. Check out the buying links in the description box below. So, grab a cup of coffee, hit that like button, and let's get mixing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 1. Hamilton Beach 6-Speed Electric Hand Mixer. Meet your new kitchen sidekick, the Hamilton Beach 6-Speed Electric Hand Mixer. This little powerhouse comes with 250 watts of peak power, perfect for whipping cream or battling stubborn cookie dough. With 6 speeds and a quick burst button, it's like having a turbo mode for your desserts. Plus, the bowl rest feature? Total genius. No more chasing runaway drips across your counter. But wait, there's more. Tired of losing beaters in your junk drawer? The snap-on storage case keeps everything together. Beaters, whisk, and cord, like a happy little kitchen family. It's so organized, even Marie Kondo would approve. Clean up? Easy peasy. Just pop the attachments into the dishwasher and press the eject button. No sticky fingers required. And thanks to the bowl rest, your mixer takes a breather without tipping over. Talk about stability under pressure. Whether you're a pro baker or just trying to survive holiday cookie season, this hand mixer has your back. It's power, convenience, and charm, all in one. Number 2. KitchenAid 5-Speed Ultra Power Hand Mixer. Say hello to the KitchenAid 5-Speed Ultra Power Hand Mixer, your secret weapon for tackling everything from cookie dough to whipped cream. At just 8 inches tall, this compact mixer punches above its weight with 5 speeds. Need to fold in chocolate chips? Speed 1 has your back. Want to whip egg whites into a cloud of perfection? Speed 5 is like a turbo boost for your recipes. Mixing is a breeze, thanks to the soft grip handle and swivel cord that locks into place. Left-handed? Right-handed? It doesn't matter. This mixer doesn't play favorites. And that round cord? So easy to wipe clean. It practically tidies itself. Let's talk convenience. The beater ejector button means no wrestling with stuck beaters. Plus, the stable heel rest keeps things steady while you handle other tasks. It's like having an assistant that doesn't complain. Whether you're a weekend baker or a mashed potato master, this lightweight wonder makes mixing easy and fun. Trust us, your kitchen adventures just got an upgrade. Number 3. OVENTE Portable 5-Speed Mixing Electric Hand Mixer. Who says kitchen tools can't be stylish? The OVENTE Portable 5-Speed Hand Mixer in bold red is here to prove otherwise. Weighing just 1.8 pounds, it's lightweight but packs a punch with its 150-watt motor. From fluffy whipped cream to dreamy mashed potatoes, this mixer handles it all, because who doesn't want their food to be both delicious and effortless? Switching speeds is as easy as sliding your thumb. So you're always in control, whether you're folding in chocolate chips or whipping egg whites like a pro. And the ergonomic design? It's so comfortable, you might forget you're working and start mixing just for fun. Now let's talk storage. The snap-on case keeps everything in one place. Beaters, cord, and all. No more digging through drawers wondering where your whisk ran off to. Plus, cleanup is a breeze with a quick rinse in warm, soapy water. With great power, a pop of color, and a 1-year warranty, the OVENTE mixer is proof that high quality doesn't have to cost a fortune or take up your entire kitchen. Number 4. Yomelo 9-Speed Digital Electric Hand Mixer. Say goodbye to mixing struggles with the Yomelo 9-Speed Digital Hand Mixer. This beauty packs a quiet yet mighty 400W DC motor, so you can whip up cookie dough or mashed potatoes without waking the whole house. Plus, its lightweight design and soft-touch handle make it so comfy, you might feel like you're on a baking vacation. The real magic? 9 speed settings. Start slow, no more flour explosions. and work your way up to turbo for that perfect whipped cream. Yomelo's soft start tech ensures you won't be wearing your ingredients, because let's face it, no one wants to look like they lost a fight with a cake. Sleek touch buttons and a digital display add modern vibes to your kitchen. And with stainless steel beaters, dough hooks, and a whisk all tucked neatly into a snap-on storage case, even cleanup feels luxurious. Wrapped in a cool ice blue finish and backed by a 12-month warranty, the Yomelo mixer isn't just a tool, it's your new baking bestie. Perfect for gifting or treating yourself, because why not? Number 5. GUALIU 5-Speed Electric Hand Mixer. Lastly, meet the GUALIU 5-Speed Electric Hand Mixer, a pink powerhouse ready to tackle all your baking adventures. With 5 speeds and a turbo boost, it whips cream faster than your favorite barista. From velvety batter to perfectly kneaded dough, this mixer handles it all with ease, thanks to its durable pure copper motor and smooth performance. And don't worry about it overheating. Its fancy two-way heat dissipation system keeps things cool, literally. The ergonomic non-slip grip ensures mixing is a breeze, even during those marathon cookie sessions. Plus, its upright design means it won't do that awkward tip over and splatter move. Clean up? Just pop off the attachments with one click. Don't forget to set it to speed 0 first. And you're golden. It even comes with a storage bag to keep everything neat, practical, and pink. What more could you want? Whether it's a thoughtful gift or a treat for yourself, this mixer is here to make your baking dreams come true. Just don't forget to let it cool down between recipes. Machines need breaks too. That wraps up our review of the top 5 best hand mixers. We hope this helped you find the perfect fit for your kitchen. Don't forget, all the product links are in the description box below. Check them out. Thanks for watching Reviews Heaven. See you next time.